Now we want to deal with addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. So here we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. Now the question is, what number would I multiply with 2? And what number would I multiply with 5? That I will end up with the same number on both sides. The number that comes to mind is 10. So 2 times 5 and 5 times 2 times 5 here and times 2 here. Because I multiply this 5 with 2, so I must multiply the up also with 2. I multiply this denominator with 5, so I must multiply the numerator also with 5, which equals to 5 over 10 minus 2 over 10, which equals to 3 over 10. That's the answer for that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have 11 over 12 plus 1 over 7. So 11 over 12 plus 1 over 7. What number can I multiply with 12 and also multiply with 7 that will give us the same thing? The only number there is 12 and 7 on this side. So we have 7 on this side and 12 on this side times 12 times 7. So we have 77 over 7 times 2 is 14, remainder 1, that's 84, plus 12 over 84, which equals to 2 plus 7 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8 over 84. Now we can leave it like this, or we can convert to mixed fractions. That's one whole number. How many 84 can I see in 81? Just one. Remainder 5 over 84. We can leave it like that. Moving on. This is the next number. We have 5 over 11 minus 1 over 3. I think we're going to use the same method as we did before because there's no smaller number that we can use. So we have to do times 3 times 3 times 11 times 11. So we have equals to 15 over 33 minus 11 over 33, which equals to 4 over 33. That one is a bit straightforward. At least this next one is going to give us something of a small challenge, at least something of a small challenge. So this one we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Now we can go on and say 1 over 4 times 6 minus 1 over 6 times 4. But let's do it in a better way. Since we have, the question is, what number can both of them share? 4 times 6 is 24, yes. But there's another number that 6 can divide and also 4 can divide that is smaller than 24. So let's look for that number. If we find it, okay, let's quickly go on a detour here. Let's do like this. We have 4 is 2 times 2, while 6 is 2 times 3. The only thing missing here that is not here is 3. And here we have two 2's. So we need to bring another 2 here. 2 times 3, 6 times 2. So that's 12. So instead of doing this long way, because it's going to give us a bigger number that we need to reduce again, we'd rather do that. We'd rather do this. So that's say 1 times over 4. Since it's the only number that can give us 12 is 4 times 3 is the only number that can give us 3 is the only number that will multiply with 4 that can give us 12. So 4 times 3, 3 up also. Don't worry, we'll still do the other ones to show you how it is. Then minus 1 times 2 over 6 times 2, which gives us 3 over 12 minus 2 over 12 equals to 1 over 12. So let's compare with this one. We'd have 6 over 24 minus 4 over 24, which equals to 6 minus 4 over 24. That gives us 2 over 24, which is an equivalent fraction of 1 over 24. Let me show you what I mean. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 12 is in 24 is 12. It's still the same thing. But this method, this one here, will give you a bigger number, which is not so good sometimes to give you a bigger number. So this one will give you a smaller number. Maybe we'll explore that later when we have questions related to that exactly. Now, this one we still use the same method as we used before, the same exact method of 9 over 11 times 5 times 5 plus 3 over 5 times 11, which equals to 45 over 55 plus 33 over 55, which equals to 45 plus 33 over 55, which equals to 8 and then 7. 3 plus 5 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7 over 55. Now we need to bring it down. So that one whole number, that's 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2 over 55. That's our final answer. I hope you get that by now. You should be able to get it by now. Okay, let's go over to the next question. We want to go on to the next topic. That's area of, I'm sorry, not area, perimeter of shapes. Perimeter of shapes. That is shapes that are not regular, irregular shapes. So for this one, all we have to do is very simple. All we have to do is add this plus 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 this. Can that we've covered all sides and we are done. Let's do that. So we have 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 10. If you notice, I went this way, 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 then this way. That's way it's easier. It is less possible. It is reduced. The possibility is reduced for you to make mistake. Don't just do it in random. Follow a pattern, follow a path. That makes it easier. So we're going to do 2, 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 12 plus 10 is 22. 4 plus 5 is another 9. 12 plus 10 is 22. I can try to group 9 plus 9 plus 22 plus 22. All you have to do is add together. I'm just making it a bit easier for myself to add. That's what I'm doing. Just making it a bit easier for myself to add. That's what I'm grouping to make it easier for myself to add. 9 plus 9 is 18. 22 plus 22 is 44. So we have 4 plus 8 is 12, remainder 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Final answer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's move to the next one. This one, we should have, let's follow the same path. Remember, is it that you go this way or you go this way? I like to go clockwise. I like to go instead of anti-clockwise. So I have 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4 plus 10 plus 21 plus 10. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 13 plus 5 is 18. 4 plus 10 is 14. 21 plus 10 is 31. 9 plus 18 is 27. 14 plus 31, 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 5 plus 7 is 12, remainder 1. That's 6. 5 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1, that 4 plus remainder 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Final answer. Let me do another one. I want us to cover it to make sure that it is well covered. This one, remember, is either you go this way or you go the other way around. So 16 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 9 plus 5 plus 16 plus 21. So I have 16 plus 5, 21. 9 plus 11, 20. 9 plus 5, 14. 11 plus 16. Sorry, 16 plus 21. That's 6 plus 1. That's 7. 2 plus 1. That's 3. So we have 21 plus 20. That's 40. 14 plus 37. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Remainder 1. That 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. That's 91. By now, you should be clear already. And if you have any other question, let me know. I would add the link to the other topic about how to look for LCM using a different method entirely that I showed up there. See you next time.